Tired of retyping the same quote details for every project? Clone any quote in Zoho Books with just 6 clicks. I'll show you exactly how to duplicate a quote, select the right project, and send it out, all in under a minute. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Go to the Sales module from the left sidebar. Click Quotes to see your list. Select the quote you want to clone. Click the 3-dot menu next to that quote. Choose Clone from the dropdown. In the Clone dialog, click Select a project. Choose Funnel Campaign from the list. With the project selected, click Save and Send. Click Send to deliver the cloned quote. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.